2004 F350. You're looking at is the transmission fluid temp sensor. If you have a flashing tow gauge, flashing transmission, telling you it's hot, looks crazy. This is the problem right here. This is the front of the motor this way. Your filter, got the filter right here. Filter's down, but the filter is like plugs in there, comes through here. It's right there. They all look the same. You gotta unclip it and then twist it counterclockwise briefly. It pops out, and then basically do a transmission filter, all that while you're in here, because to make you drop the pan, might as well. But that's where the sensor is, in case you're looking for it, and that fixes that problem.